So good morning everybody. Today I'm going to discuss one of my book. It's developing notes for competitive exams for JEE NEET, CUET, UPSC, ICAR, NTSC, KVPY, ND, etc. So let's begin. So here is the page 1. It's my name Acharya Vishvendra. Here is the copyright page. I have used Notion Press for publishing this. Then it's dedicated to my preparation of JEE when I was preparing for JEE. So let's begin with the content. There are 8 chapters in it and 9 there is a conclusion, so total of 9 chapters. And this is the foreword for this. So it's basically the trio of information, process and energy. So that is the foreword. Next is the preface of this. So proper management of information is the root of success in competitive exam. So that is the preface. Next is acknowledgement. So I am highly thankful to my teachers, students and everybody who created simulations that provoked me to do something fundamental for learning effectively and being a better human being. So this is the prologue that a well-structured information basis is the backbone of success in any exam. So that is the prologue for this. So here is the chapter 1, which is introduction. So introduction is that having a concise and comprehensive information is the fundamental requirement to crack any competitive exam. And there are lots of exam as given in the diagram over here. So it contains an elaborative source at macro and micro level for competitive exams. So the first question that comes to the mind is that why optimized information source is necessary. So thing is that universe is guided by rigid protocols and you just need to decode the correct frequency to get your work done. So that is how simply things are explained. Next is why competitive exams are necessary. So certainly we are different from what we are. I mean, to an external person we can fake our identity, but competitive exams is a testing of a true internal information processing system. So that's why exams are conducted, so that the true identity of a person can be judged. So any competitive exam is just a sort of testing mechanism. It's a psychological testing of the working of your mind-brain system, how your mind-brain system coordinates and performs when it is stimulated to do certain specific tasks. So the fundamental basis of any competitive exam is the psychological testing of your mind-brain system. That is how things are done. Now the question is that there is one of my book, Developing Mind, Develop India, which deals with the better functioning of the mind-brain system. Because before start preparing for any competitive exam, the first thing is a well-developed mind-brain system. Because generally most of the students fail in competitive exam because they have weak mind-brain algorithms. So the first thing before starting any preparation is making your mind-brain algorithms strong and complex so that you can bear the brunt of high stress exam conditions and can perform better in them. So here is the mind-brain system of a person. The light that you see are the neurons, you see. So this is the brain and this is the neurons that's being different parts of the brain are working together, so it's just like the proper neural network. And here is the topmost educational, or you can say that technological institution, MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology. So that's the peak of this. So here another thing is that any competitive exam, they are roads to better future. You can earn a quality life by working with minimal efforts once you complete a competitive exam. So that is why competitive exams are necessary. Now next thing is a strategy for competitive exams, because it's not only that simple that you start preparing. Until and unless your preparation is strategized according to the line of exams, then you won't be able to succeed. So you should prepare with a strategy. And the central concept in any competitive exam is the problem solving skill. So your central skill should be the problem solving skill, which involves the complete use of mind-brain system as a whole, and it checks the efficiency of the mind-brain system to perform complex tasks and to perform under stressful conditions. So that is the mind-brain system is the main asset behind preparing for any competitive exam.